What if I was to tell you I'm recording this video on a webcam that costs just $29.99? Would you believe me? I'm going to show you how to go from this to this in a few easy steps. Before we get into the settings, let's take a look at the actual webcam. It is an Aukey 1080p basic webcam off Amazon. Comes in full 1080p HD, generally always in stock, and every time I've looked at it has had a coupon for a discount. When I bought mine, it was £10. At the moment, it looks like it's £5, so check it out, but it does vary. Okay, so into the settings. Now, I will say that lighting is going to be your friend. I have a small ring light. It's turned off at the moment. I'm going to turn it on now, and even with this light on, you can see we're really overexposed. The light's really bright. I can turn this one down, but lights are going to be your friend. I'll link this in the description. It's relatively cheap, about 25 quid. Now into the settings. So what we need to do is go into Aukey and click on Properties. Aukey being your webcam, whatever you've called it when you've set up into OBS. We're going to click on Configure Video, and you'll get a little white pop-up box like this. So what we do, we click on the webcam and you'll get a little pop-up box like this. Configure Video, and then what will happen is you'll get, and then this box will come up. Now I've had a little play with it, and I've got these settings to how I like them. You will have auto-selected white balance, and you will have auto-selected exposure. Tick them off. We don't need them. We're going to set our exposure to -3, and I've had a little play with these. Now you're probably thinking that that still doesn't look great, and you'd be right. But what I am going to do now, what I have done is put a filter on this. So if you click on filters, and on the little plus, we're going to click color correction and add a color correction. I'm not going to add that, I've already added one. And when I turn that on, you can see now that the colours are very vibrant, crystal clear, and you can have a little play with this if you want to make it a bit more colourful, a bit less colourful. It's just your preference. This is how I like it. And now when we close that off and go back to the main screen, you can see that the colours are vibrant, it's clear, quite responsive, and I'm happy. $29.99, it's an absolute steal. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you did, drop us a like, feel free to subscribe and comment. All comments will be answered. I do check all of them. See you in the next one.